Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing JFIL, ICOA, MTRT, NXMR, UMGP, and DWAC. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get our best ideas. These are free alerts of day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts. These are trading and investing ideas to help you maximize your gains. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to penny stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. I've been hammering over and over again that you want to be in low float plays. If you look at all the videos that I've been talking about, I was telling everyone this weekend, we said weekend roundup, new low float profile coming. Low float, no dilution OTC stocks are on fire. This is where you want to be. And case in point, JFIL. We released this alert today at the bell, and as you can see, it opened at 0.0445. That was the low of the day right at the open, and it rocketed to 12 cents for potential gains of 169%. Guys, again, low float plays. Stop being in these big dilution pigs. These big cap OTCs are not working out right now. At some point, they will start running, but you have to adjust to current market conditions. Case in point is JFIL. This is what you need to focus on, folks. I can't stress this enough to all of you. And we had no position in JFIL. We do not front load. We do not play that game. The last time it traded was February 1st. So this is a low float OTC QB. All the details are right there on OTC markets. The float of just 8.9 million, market cap 838,000. This is the types of plays that we look for our subscribers. This is why it's so important to be a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com so that you can get these low float plays. Overall, on the OTC markets, with Putin invading Ukraine, lackluster day. We had 1,554 advancers to 3,034 decliners on just $2.2 billion in trading volume. Again, quiet markets on the OTC markets. We're just in the middle of a bear. I talked about this over the weekend, and we said the OTC bear market continues. But what did we say? 4 OTC stocks with momentum: ICOA, MTRT, NXMR, VNUE. This was the only one that didn't do much today, but take a look. ICOA up 31%. MTRT up 15%. I've been pounding the table on MTRT for weeks now, guys. Look at this runner from $1.50 to $9.30. If you are not in these types of plays, you're just in the wrong stocks. And as I said, if you are tired of being in the wrong stocks, Join insiderfinancial.com today at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where we give you our best ideas. I have been pounding the table over and over again on MTRT. NXMR is another one, up 11%. You can go over here to the magnifying glass, type in MTRT, and you can get our full coverage. Over and over again, I've been talking about it. And I also include our videos so you can take it, check it out, what we have said. They're all posted, our videos, on insiderfinancial.com. This way you can go and check, and you can also check any of your stocks that you're in. You can see what we've said. But, you know, I am a big fan. I do not fall in love with any OTC stock. I've been doing this over 20 years. It's all about P&L, guys. Don't fall in love. If you want to fall in love with something, go fall in love with Amazon, Microsoft, AMD, or just go buy an index fund. There's a lot of other things that you can fall in love with. OTC, crypto, it's all speculation. These are momentum plays. You want to be playing the momentum, and that's it. Don't fall in love or get into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. You're going to cause yourself a lot of headaches and a lot of grief. Trust me, I've been doing this a long time, and it's just not the place you want to be when it comes to OTC stocks. You could be bag hold for a long time, keep buying the dip, and you know, for a lot of you guys, you know what I'm talking about. The dip, it just keeps dipping. So you want to play the runners. You don't want to be playing these dilution pigs that keep going down. Another low float, nice day today, up 32%, is UMGP. They've been putting out a lot of Twitter updates at UMGP_IR. They're getting ready to do a celebrity NFT project with Rashad Evans. He's a UFC Hall of Famer, former UFC light heavyweight world champion. He's got 553,000 followers. Again, these are the types of plays you want to be looking for. Low floats. There is just 3.1 million shares in the float of UMGP. Certainly, as you can see, history of big moves. It's run from 20 cents to 360, pulled all the way back last week to 20 cents, and we're at $1. So again, plenty of opportunities in these low floats. You know, play the momentum, guys. It's right there in front of you. Take a look at the charts. One thing I want to go back to, ICOA. The chart, this is a beautiful chart. You can see the 20-day, 20, 50, and 200-day. The 20 is 0.0055, 50-day is 0.0072, and the 200-day is 0.0068. And you can see, you know, once it just started crossing these moving averages, we got this breakout. So it held the bottom, 0.004. We've doubled here in the past 5 days. So really like the price action in ICOA. And if you look at the chart, I mean, this one was 3 cents back in October. So there's still plenty of upside in ICOA. Lastly is DWAC, the Trump SPAC. This has been, you know, I'm going to give you guys charting 101. First of all, if you go to finviz.com, you can see what I'm talking about. You see these trend lines. This was a perfect wedge, broke out last week, and then we saw today's move on that it's available in the App Store, a lot of downloads. But again, you know, if you look at just there is no 200-day because it hasn't been trading that long, but the 20 and the 50-day, I mean, look at this, guys. I mean, it just hugged the support levels of these moving averages. You know, here is the 20 is at $80, but it hugged this level. It basically held the 20-day all along. You could have been buying off of that each time. If you are a day trader, learn these moving averages, 20, 50, and 200-day. The algorithms, most chartists, all chartists, Wall Street professionals, Stevie Cohen's traders over at 0.72, they're all following these. And, you want to find, the chart patterns that everyone is looking at and everyone's going, hey, that's a no-brainer. And today, we got as high as 99.03. The $100 was major resistance. So, that was a signal that you needed to take some money off the table when it couldn't clear the $100. We closed at 92.90. We're bidding at 90.69 in the aftermarket. It's going to be a momentum play. We could go back and test the 20-day, but basically, Trump with what he's going on in getting this up and running, the huge following he has, there's just a lot of excitement. So dips are to be bought in DWAC. With that being said, guys, there's not a lot to cover today. There's no need to when you're in these types of plays. You're making money. JFIL was a great play for our subscribers. So happy for our subscribers today. I'm looking for our next low float play. Make sure you are signed up over at signup.insiderfinancial.com so that you don't miss any of these low float plays, because this is where you want to be right now in these markets. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a profitable Tuesday. Let's have a great week this week. Actually, Wednesday. I'm forgetting about President's Day holiday on Monday. So let's have a profitable Wednesday. Let's make some money. And I'll be coming live to you after the bell with the new video. Have a great night. Great day, everyone. Bye-bye.